Hello. Today I'll be taking a look at an electronics organizer case by BUBM. I bought this bag myself because I wanted an organizer for my various electronics cables and accessories. In case you were wondering, BUBM stands for Be Unique, Be Myself, and is visible under the logo at the front of the bag. This bag comes in a variety of colors, including gray, blue, and red. There are other colors such as gold, light blue, and purple, but I didn't see them available or in stock. There are also various sizes such as medium, large, and extra large. This bag that I'm showing is the gray version in medium size. It is 9.4 inches in length, 6.9 inches in width, and has a height of 3.7 inches. The design of this bag has a subtle brushed aluminum pattern that keeps the bag from looking too plain. This gray version is very dark gray and can almost be labeled as black. This bag has a simple rectangular shaped design that has two layers. There is a zipper for each layer. When opening one side of the bag, the zipper feels solid with the flat logo. On this side, you can see 11 areas where you can put things such as cables or other small objects under the stretchable bands. For those items that may not make sense to put under the band, you can put in the mesh zippered pouch. The other side has one large zippered mesh pocket and space to put larger objects. It comes with these three attachments. These attachments can be used to either form different sized compartments or to put different objects, or if you don't even need to do that, you can either put them aside, don't even use it, or you can even put them along the sides of the bag and prevent something from being crushed because it gives the bag more structure on the sides. Alright, so what do I think of this bag? I think this bag is great for traveling. You can carry a bunch of things like cables, chargers, batteries, etc. The bag feels pretty solid. The one thing I want to note is that if you plan to carry this in a backpack, this bag can be a little bulky, especially if you filled it with items. The reason I say this is because if I just throw my cables and stuff into my backpack, although messy, it takes up less room than putting everything into this bag. That is something to keep in mind. One more thing, because this bag is made of vinyl, it does have some water resistance, but I certainly wouldn't be submerging this in water, but it's still pretty good that maybe if you have something leaking in your bag or there's some rain outside that gets into your bag, at least this bag will help protect against some water. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.